With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is cleavage and archegonial polyembryony is common in option 1 gymnosperms, option 2 pteridophytes, option 3 angiosperms, and option 4 bryophytes. So the correct option is cleavage and archegonial polyembryony is common in gymnosperms. So what is polyembryony? Polyembryony is the Polyembryony is the development of more than one embryo in one ovule. Development of more than one embryo in one ovule seed or fertilized ovum. It is the process of development of more than one embryo in one ovule, seed, or fertilized ovum. So, polyembryony can be several types. So, cleavage polyembryony and archegonial polyembryony is the type of polyembryony. So, what is cleavage polyembryony? In cleavage polyembryony, in this type of polyembryony, a single fertilized egg gives rise to number of embryo. It gives rise to number of embryo. This is commonly seen in gymnosperms. Cleavage polyembryony is commonly seen in gymnosperms. Archegonial polyembryony in majority of the gymnosperms showing polyembryony, usually two or more archegonia develop in a female gametophyte. Two or more archegonia develop into a female gametophyte and as each archegonium contains an egg, two or more eggs may be fertilized and thus two or more potential embryos may be created. Since each archegonium contains one egg, two or more eggs may be fertilized and thus two or more potential embryos may be created. Two or more eggs fertilized and two or more embryos may be created. Or more embryos may be created. Because of the fertilization of two or more eggs, two or more embryo may be created. But out of these embryos, only one embryo survives and all the other perish during the course of the development. So this type of archegonial polyembryony can be seen in gymnosperms. So our correct answer is cleavage and archegonial polyembryony is common in gymnosperms. That is the correct option. Option second, pteridophytes, angiosperms and bryophytes are incorrect. That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.